Release. You might hear release used to describe a new movie premiere or setting an animal free. In civil law, it focuses strictly on the surrender of a legal right. A legal release is a formal document where one party gives up a claim against another. It permanently extinguishes a potential or ongoing lawsuit. Across common law systems, releases are used to settle disputes out of court. When someone suffers an injury, they have the right to sue the responsible party. However, litigation is expensive and unpredictable. Instead of risking a trial, the parties negotiate a financial settlement. The victim agrees to accept a guaranteed sum of money. In exchange, they sign a liability release. This document legally bars them from pursuing any further legal action related to that exact incident. For example, imagine a driver gets rear-ended, causing minor whiplash and bumper damage. The at-fault driver's insurance company offers $10,000 to settle. The victim accepts the offer, believing it is fair compensation. Before handing over the check, the insurer requires the victim to sign a formal release of claims. By signing this document, the victim legally waives the right to sue the other driver in the future. This remains true even if the victim's neck injury requires surgery months later.